Okay, last time out at the track we managed to pull out a rocker arm stud. Just strip the threads right out. So did that, broke a push rod in half that we found in the lifter valley there a little later on. So this is our first attempt at helicoiling the head on the motor. Me and Roger went out and bought a helicoil kit for 7/16 14. I've already drilled the hole out and used the tap that comes with it. And now we're going to put the thread insert in. So they give you this little tool here, and you're supposed to put Loctite on it, on the insert, so it doesn't come out ever, hopefully. Let's thread this puppy in. It's going in nice and smooth. And once it's under the edge here, under the top, it's supposed to be good. Thread the tool back out. Make sure we're a quarter to a half turn underneath the top there. And looks like we're close. I'm going to go a little bit in more with it, just to make sure. That'll be good. There's a thread insert. Let the Loctite dry and put our rocker stud back in.